Hi, this is Armintha. So we had 3 questions for the Get to Know Your Gun Gals. The first one that I'm going to address is, are you a night owl or are you a morning person? Well, for all of those that went to Wanamaker, they pretty much know I'm a morning person. I am a ray of sunshine. My husband and I are actually completely opposite. I am a wonderful morning person. When I get tired at night, I am very cranky. I don't stay up typically too terribly late. Every now and then I do, but not too much. The second question was that I'm going to answer is if you could have a superpower. The second question, if you could have a superpower, what superpower would you have? I had to give this one a lot of thought because there are a lot of good superpowers out there, and I was like, So what I came up with, I think mind control would be amazing, simply because I could make my husband clean up his messes and make him park on his side of the driveway. I know, right? Awesome. The third question was, what's your chore that you hate doing the most? The third question was which chore around the house you hate doing the most. Oh my goodness, I have 2, and one is sweeping and mopping, and it's because we live in the country. Even though we live on the highway, we live in the country, okay? The other one, and I could get by with the sweeping and mopping, but we live in red dirt, so it's, ugh. But, I hate cleaning the bathroom. Absolutely hate it. But if I had mind control, I wouldn't have to clean the bathroom. My husband could aim and he would clean up his own mess. It would be awesome. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you want to see more of us. And if you would like for us to answer any of your questions, be sure and submit them to info@gun-gals.com. So, we'll see you soon. Bye.